want to recover data from the hard drive of a dead laptop? When a computer due to a software failure étant a hardware problem, if il remain inaccessible but intact on the hard drive? To recover data from the hard drive of a dead Windows, Mac, or Linux notebook, follow one of the method below. Turn your old hard drive into an external hard drive, Windows, Mac, Linux. Get hard drive disk en closure. Tie an external system into which you can place a computer hard drive in order to run it on a note computer via a USB port. Essentially, the closure will turn your laptop hard drive into an external hard drive. Different computer use different hard drive model, so be sure to check your dead laptop specification before making a purchase. Example: if your laptop a 2.5 SATA drive, you will need a 2.5 SATA USB en closure. Unless you have a SATA drive, be sure to buy a laptop CZ disk en closure, only SATA ready en closure can accommodate both desktop and laptop hard drive. Note that disk en closure are commonly found in big box store and are usually purchased online. Borrow a working computer TI compatible with your old one. If you had a Windows, use a note Windows, if you had a Mac, use a note Mac, etc. Mac sur it en space to accommodate the file you want to recover from the dead laptop. Alternatively, you can hook a second external hard drive up to the working computer and simply use the computer a transfer system for the file. A Linux computer will be able to read file of a Windows computer, but not the way around, unless you understand both system. However, it is best to use a Windows computer to recover a Windows hard drive. Mac user can insert a Windows hard drive into their computer and be able to read, no write, the contents of their hard drive if they did not install a separate driver, for example NTFS 3G or Paragon NTFS. Take caution, TUG, only use the disk utility during the process to mount the hard drive. En IoT action you make on disk utility ma remove content. Remove the hard drive from the dead laptop. Turn off the laptop, unplug it, and remove the battery. Turn it over and use the various section of the laptop as can be screwed and removed separately. IT look up your laptop model online to see exactly where the hard drive see or simply look for the most likely candidate. To get differ between laptop, a laptop hard drive is often similar in size and shape to a 3.5 inch floppy disk. Insert the hard drive cover and remove the hard drive. Some model will pop bar, some will slide outward, etc. Remove the disk enclosure connector plate and insert it into the hard drive interface. Look for connector pin on and off the drive to show or to make the connection. If you have the hard drive, note that triad detachable adapté sitting of it interface. Simply pull the adapté off so that the drive will properly connect with the enclosure connector plate. Insert hard drive into the enclosure. Scratch it if necessary, read enclosure manual for additional detail. Connect the external hard drive to the working computer with a USB cable. Make sure the computer is turned on. Once the drive is connected, an icon should appear on your desktop, Mac, or a notification should pop up, Windows. The computer might also open the drive for you automatically. If Windows 2.1 automatically prend you about a new external storage unit, simply open it manually by going to My Computer and looking for the new drive. If the hard drive is unrecognized at first, try ejecting it and plugging it back in. If the hard drive is not readable, likely that the hard drive itself, and your computer software, failed. If it is the case, you will need professional assistance if you wish to continue the salvage. Bevarnetati can be very expensive. Explore and salvage your old file. Transfer them to a working computer or to a second external hard drive by copying and pasting, clicking and dragging, etc. If you have a lot of large file, example song, movie, note that transfer could take many hours. When you're done, close the window to your hard drive. The good news is that the computer is still physically intact and will probably work fine if you install your operating system. Right-click USB icon and select Eject. You can add that old hard drive,